we are back with another video. We are at the farm. We got chickens. And yeah, we're doing another video with us at a farm. Not another video, but our first video. It is also at my grandma's house. Hang on, I'm closing the door. And you can probably see, ow, there, go. Hey chicken. Hey chicken. Yeah.
There's a pretzel.
Thank you. I got a pretzel from Roman. Okay. Hi. To go over there, you can see some of them are doing some eggs, maybe. And here, guys, we have to be quiet. Guys, we have to be really quiet because those three are laying some eggs. And then just like, seed, wood, and the water's out here. Don't worry, there's gates and stuff. I'm gonna chase this one. Buck, buck. Okay. Well, guys, now we're gonna see some very cute, different animal. Very cute. Like really, really cute. Very cute. You guys will see when we get to that barn. They're so cute animals. Now I need to lock this door so that the chickens don't get out. There we go. Now let's go. Trust me, guys. Here's some really good animals. So there are some cats wandering around here. And now I see it going over there. Okay, guys. We're in the barn. And there they are. Rabbits. There's a little kitten. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Hi, buddy. How you doing? Hi, buddy. What's up, man? Are you gonna go? Goodbye. I'm gonna look at some of these rabbits. And why did you open that cage? What are you looking at? You okay, buddy? Okay, bye. And guys, here they are. Little smoochy rabbits. I know, guys. I have rabbits. Yes, I do. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that little guy. Hey. Hi, how you doing? Guys, we actually have a lot of rabbits here. We have like all these little rabbits. That's my favorite one right there.